The World Customs Organization, WCO, Authorized Economic Operator.
Greetings from the World Customs Organization in Brussels. I would like to cordially invite all of you to participate in the 4th Global AEO Conference, where we see a huge potential for economic growth.
The Global AEO Conference targets customs administrations, the business community, government, multilateral policymakers, legal and academic representatives. Focuses on the successes and challenges of customs and the private sector. This event is expected to enhance cooperation, build capacity, and foster global public-private dialogue.
We expect more than 1,000 participants, and also we prepare more than 100 experts.
Hello, myself is Elena from Local Connect Consulting. Hope you are all well. Like the previous one, we are back again with another video focusing on an important subject. If you are in international business of export or import of your goods and services, then this video is for you. Keep watching this video. Before moving forward, please click the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the notification of our latest updates. In this video, I am going to tell you about who is an authorized economic operator, that is AEO. An AEO is a business entity involved in the international movement of goods. So, AEO's certificate can be obtained by manufacturers, importers, exporters, customs brokers, carriers, consolidators, ports, warehouse, and freight forwarders and so on. AEO requires compliance with provisions of the national customs law, and is approved on behalf of the national administration in compliance with the World Customs Organization, or any equivalent supply chain security standards. The security standards are detailed in the WCO's SAFE framework of standards, which is the basis of the Indian AEO program. India became the member of AEO in 2011. Are you interested in video like this? Then click the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the notification of our latest updates. Watch our next video and log in on www.localconnect.com for more information. Thanks for watching.